preparing to change locks. We had these digital locks, which cost $120 to $150 each. We're going to be reclaiming some of that money and putting on regular locks that cost $10, and it just saves you a lot of hassle with changing batteries. Digital is very convenient. Anyhow, if you want to learn how to change locks, come around to the WDP. Several of our members know how to do the locks, or just pay attention now. I'm going to show you how to do it really fast. Alright, so you missed the taking off part. I'm just going to show you how to put it on. First, you're going to put the bolt in and secure it. Make sure the bolt is facing the right direction. And then you're going to put the handles on. Make sure the handles are facing the right way, whatever side you want, outside on the locking part. And then the last thing to do is to put the screws in that's going to hold everything together. Don't put the screws in your mouth. I'm just doing it because I don't have any hands. Sometimes you gotta do a little wiggling to get it in. And you might be better off using a screwdriver. I just like to use a drill, it's faster. You have it all set. The last thing you want to do is to make sure that you test the keys and that they actually work. Good to go. That's how you change a lock.